Well, hello, ladies and gents. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Hate when he starts videos off like that.
Yeah, no. Anyways, today's video is going to be a little bit different. Are we going to put your intro on it?
Sure.
The Lady Savage intro. Boom. All right, so we're talking about the apparel today. You ready to talk about the apparel?
Yes.
All right, she's ready to talk about the apparel. For those of you that do not know, we've talked about this in the newsletter and in social posts, but we have another company, Live Savage Apparel. Boom, boom. And we started that in 2019, and then we kind of had to come to a screeching halt in 2020 because all of our downstream suppliers had to put all their operation on pause due to the virus. But we're back in action, and we're going to have our newest launch, a camo line, dropping this Sunday on Valentine's Day at 12 noon Central. We're super excited about it. But we're super excited about the business in general because after this launch, we're going to invest in a bunch of screen printing equipment. It's going to take us some time to learn how to use that equipment. So the next launch after this one probably won't be immediate. But after this, we're going to start doing all of our own production in-house. So we can be much more flexible, much more frequent in our launches because we'll have complete control, similar to how we have everything with the Keto Brick business under our own roof. All that we've learned from the Keto Brick business, we're going to apply to the apparel business, and keeping it all under our roof and in our control. Even though it comes with a lot more headaches, it just works better. It's more in line with our philosophy towards business, entrepreneurship, and life in general. So we're super excited about the apparel. Crystal is modeling the apparel. This is going to be two camo designs and patterns. We have the urban camo, which is
this one.
This one.
That's right.
This is the sports bra. Boom. And then we have the jungle camo, which is what you see on Crystal right now.
Yeah.
And they all have subtle branding. So it's got like our broadhead on the back of the band there.
The sports bra.
Of the sports bra.
Should I?
Yeah, we'll just model this for a second. Okay, so.
Just a good spot.
Yeah, we got the Live Savage Performance Apparel there, and it's like a textured fabric, and then the broadhead there on the back. And
There's
then
like a back pocket if you want to stick a phone in there. There's like these two side pockets for like a key or like a credit card or something like that if you're going for a run.
And you got the big side pocket.
You got two side pockets.
7 pockets in total.
Yep, and then the zipper actually like goes up and down.
Nice.
So
supportive.
It does have padding. If you have the black and the gray bra, it's the same type of padding that's in there. It is removable as well.
Nice. All right. So let's talk about this for a second. We're super excited about it. We are ready to, focus more on the apparel. We're hiring a bunch of people right now. The more people we bring on, the more we're going to be able to grow the different legs of the business, the Keto Brick business, the apparel business, and several other downstream businesses that I haven't even told y'all about yet. But we're super excited about the apparel because, I don't know, it's just like the more I've dove into, I've been watching a bunch of tutorials on how to screen print clothes, and it's like an art form. And I'm excited about it. I'm excited to learn the techniques, learn the practices, and just
be creative.
Yeah, be creative and make some super cool apparel. And this stuff is really, I don't wear women's sports bras and leggings, but it seems like it's pretty high quality.
Yeah, it is. We've shared this with a couple of our friends so far. Everyone has said that it's super supportive. They really like the material, squat proof, all the things that you really want. It's they're like more like that slick material, which it just feels really nice. I don't know what else.
And this launch we've had several guys asking about future guy items. This launch is not going to have any guy items. We're going to have some more stuff for the guys in the near future. Mm-hmm. This one is just the women's sports bras and leggings. However, it could be for the guys for Valentine's Day to get your significant other some really high quality, slick looking leggings and sports bras, because I can't guarantee that your girl will look as good as my girl when she's wearing these, but I can guarantee she's gonna look pretty good wearing these. So it could be for the guys in an indirect manner. But yeah, we're super excited about it. We're super excited to focus on this more and just start bringing some more content and value around the apparel. If y'all have any requests for what you would like, whether that be like headwear, leg wear, upper body wear, designs, colors, patterns, whatever, feel free to email us, let us know. It's livesavageapparel.com is the website. There's a contact form there. Again, this is dropping at 12 noon Central this Sunday. So in 48 hours, be there or be square.
Yep. And because I know people are going to ask me, and I want to make sure I'm telling you now and not later in the comments and then I'm too late, I am wearing the small sports bra and the medium leggings.
Yes. And President's Day is on Monday.
Monday. Mm-hmm.
So the shipping may be a little delayed, but we'll get it out to you ASAP. So,
just
yes,
delayed
indeed.
by one day.
Yeah. Anyways, love y'all. Thank y'all for all the supports, for the bricks, the apparel, reading the newsletters, listening to the podcast, all that jazz. We couldn't do it without you. We love you a bunch. And we hope you have a wonderful weekend and a happy Valentine's Day and President's Day. So, adios. Take care. Toodaloo. Talk at you later.